Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I'm up filming pretty late. I just wanted to get my pink box delivery done. I am trying to catch up on videos as I have been, a little under the weather. So I'm so excited to jump into this box. I believe it's the November box and can't remember what was in it. And this is a monthly subscription. I believe it's $35.99, and then there's some shipping, so it comes out to about 40 something. But of course I will leave the link below, and if there's any discount for you guys, that will be there as well. This is kind of an all-around box. I guess it would be considered a lifestyle box because it has kitchen stuff, it has picnic stuff. I think they'll throw in some beauty. So it's a really nice size box. I hope you guys are having a great holiday between your Thanksgiving and your Christmas, decorating, shopping, do whatever it is you do. We're just staying low. As this is, haven't been feeling well, so I pretty stay in the house except when I have to go for the doctor's appointments. And so I'm trying to organize, straighten out, especially all my boxes that I get, put them in makeup order and different types of order, and decide who I'm going to gift what to. So it says this is a monthly box, and what they do, because it's Christmas time, everybody has their letters that they send out for Christmas, and that we may receive the message of hope, love and peace to earth. Thank you for allowing Pink Box Delivery to be a small part of your holiday. And this is from Mary Box Editor Pink Box Delivery. So it comes on some cute stationery. And I'm going to assume it's a holiday themed box. And first thing looks like a scarf. I will open this if I can figure out how. Did you get all your presents done for your grandkids and your spouses and whoever you buy? My family's kind of a short-sized family. I have 2 kids. I have my son who lives in Illinois with his beautiful daughter, and their parents to a grandpuppy, so I will have to get her a bark box. And then my daughter and her husband live in Germany, so that's not a whole lot I can get her, but they are parents to a grandkitty. So it's going to be difficult for them. And my daughter's like, even if you send a gift card, it's still the exchange rate and everything. So this is an infinity scarf. And not that we get cooler weather here, and I wish I had a jacket. I'll probably send this maybe to my daughter-in-law. She'd probably be able to wear it out in her 20-30 weather there in Illinois, but it is cute and it's getting me into the festive season, so definitely not mad at the scarf. And I don't know if it has prices in there, if it was on the card. Didn't seem to be on the card, so do I look Christmassy already? Then my favorite things I got, they are the crown pen set. And I'll just show you. They have crowns at the top and they have different sayings. It says, get your jingle on, meet me under the mistletoe, lots of holiday hoopla here, and one's just a plain one. So I plan on keeping these, and maybe I'll put them in some of my surprise gift box that I'm sending out to my family and friends. So definitely not mad at those. And we got some things in here. I was hoping for like maybe a little one of these with some booze in it. little Baileys or something. And these are, oh, this looks like a necklace. Oh, cute. It looks like a necklace. I probably will not wear this, but I know a neighbor of mine will probably be more than happy to model that. She loves to wear all the Christmas earrings and the Christmas everything, so she'll probably wear that. And then these are matching earrings, so those will not go to waste. Very cute. And then this is a food item. Crostini artisan crackers garlic. Oh, who doesn't want these with some good dip? I make a what is it called? Artichoke. I make a creamy artichoke dip, and this would probably go really good with that dip. So yes, indeed. And then there's so many things in here. And then we have, it's a lotion, cashmere hand and body lotion. I've been going through like a tube a week. I have done nothing but wash my hands, do the dishes, wash my hands, do the laundry, wash my hands. So this is heaven sent. See if I can smell it. And today is the first day of Hanukkah, so I am actually packing up some Hanukkah presents for the family, so this comes in good time. All right, this is just paper, so happy Hanukkah to all my Hanukkah people. And, oh, this is a bowl. Look at this beautiful bowl. Oh, this must hold the chips. So, I guess you put the chips in the bowl, and then it had this beautiful, like, forky thing. You can use it with cheese or whatever. So how splendid looking is that? God, I feel like Martha Stewart. So that's really nice. Oh, this is just fun. Oh, Santa Claus did not make it down the roof. Now, when I was growing up, being in a Jewish household, there was quite a few Jewish families, but around me, they weren't Jewish. So, you know, we heard all the stories. Well, what my dad did one day, because we still even believed in Santa Claus for the neighbor kids, and he went out in our backyard. It had a lot of snow in it, and he took a sled and just put sled tracks in our yard, so it looked like Santa Claus had cut through our yard to go to the neighbor's yard for the Santa Claus. And I thought that was so cute, because I'm like, Mom, look, Santa Claus cut through our yard to go to the neighbor's yard. We did cute little things like that, because we didn't want to tell our neighbors that, you know, we didn't believe in Santa Claus, that it must just come to their house. So it was kind of cute. All right, and we have a few more items in here. Oh, we got these socks, and look at how warm they are. These will be going to my daughter-in-law who lives in Chicago. I am sure she's going to love these socks. So I'm going to pack them up for her. And we got a couple more things. We got Pepperjack cheese ball mix. Oh, so I could actually make a cheese ball and use this and put it in the bowl and use those crackers. my God, I'm gonna have to cook. Okay. Stay tuned for part 2. Robyn doesn't cook. But, oh, this is such a great box. And then the next thing, are these face masks? Doesn't say. But I'm thinking these must be face masks. So how adorable. So in this box, as I said, I didn't see a sheet, but we got this cute, adorable warm socks. We got sheet masks. Never too much on the hand lotion. We have jewelry, and we have this ornament that I know I can find a place for it. And then we got this bowl where I'm gonna have to learn how to make the cheese. And then we got the crackers bowl and the knife for it. So that'll be fun because we still get to sit outside. We've got this sweater that I'm really kind of enjoying wearing. We've got these great pens that will definitely be a keeper. And as I said, I think this box delivered comes to about $45, so it's not a bad box. And I will leave the link below if it's something that you want to order. I'll leave my past boxes. So please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos. And thank you for your returning users and subscribers. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.